Hey guys, in this video, that's exactly what we're going to talk about. How to make money, start an online business in 2025 so we can escape the 9 to 5 if that's what your goal is. If you're anything like me, you might be feeling that your job is nothing more than a trap. You know, you think it's secure, but the truth is it's not really secure. You know, if you disappear tomorrow, your company would replace you even before your chair got cold, unfortunately. Things have really changed. Things have changed a lot over the last probably 5 to 10 years, working for a company. So in this video, we're going to really break it down. The hard truth about working a 9 to 5. Going to give you some reasons to consider. If you're looking for something more meaningful, time freedom to become job optional, we're going to talk a little bit about that and then provide you a real solution and what I'm doing and how I got started on my way to becoming job optional this year in 2025, and then show you how you can get started as well. So I don't know about you guys, but I've been feeling for a long time, for years now, I'm just kind of stuck in a cycle, right? You're working those long hours, barely getting by, kind of living just paycheck to paycheck, and really wondering, is there something more to life? I just knew that I couldn't be alone in this thinking. I knew that I couldn't be alone in these feelings. So I got to share with what's going on with me and how you too, if these are any of your thoughts, if you're feeling this way, I'm here to help folks who are stuck in that 9 to 5, in that grind, or looking to become job optional, boss free, or just create another stream of income. Maybe you do love your job and it's great, but it's just quite not enough. I've got the answer for you here. So, and just hang with me to the end. I'm not going to keep you here very long because I'm going to show you the fastest way to start making money online in 2025 with no experience like I got started. No, tech skills. You don't really need a lot of tech skills. And most importantly, without wasting months figuring things out, right? Because that's how I got stuck. I'd get something, didn't know how to do it, didn't get much direction, didn't get no support. And that kind of contributed to me just really discouraging, and then just going from, opportunity to perceived opportunity, and just kind of that shiny object syndrome, and not being able really to drill down on one thing. So if you're ready to take control of your future, then please right now hit the subscribe and turn on notifications, because I'm going to post weekly videos to help you become job optional. So first thing, like we were going to talk about, we just want to get real about where we're at right now and why maybe your job isn't the secure plan, that you were originally told. Now, right now, there's a lot of folks getting laid off. The economy is not the best, and people are wondering, what can I do to create? I got to keep my 9 to 5 because I need that money coming in, and we want to be always grateful for that. So that's where we need to come from a place of gratitude. So we are thankful for that, but there's nothing wrong with wanting more for our families, more for ourselves, more for our future, and more for our community and those around us as well. So really right now, with the job, working 9 to 5, man, I was just trading time for money. I had to be honest with that. And if I stop working, my income stops, so you can't afford to stop working, right? You can't afford to get sick. You can't afford to take, vacation. Like my job consists of, telephone sales and commissions. So if I take time off, I just make my hourly, maybe if you're getting offered an hourly, but no extra commissions. Those, you can't make that if you're off, away from the phone. So, and most importantly, my boss decides all of that, right? Deciding your hourly, decide your commission structure. Doesn't matter how much or how hard I worked, my paycheck is limited. Retirement, not guaranteed. Most people over 40, 50, 60, like myself, are not financially ready for retirement. That's really changed as well. Or, being honest, can you really survive just on, if you don't have a retirement, on Social Security? Not really. No, you can't. It's not gonna be there. So we definitely have to think about something else. And that's probably why you clicked on this video. You're interested in finding another way how you can get started while working your full-time job. And, the other thing is we're replaceable. Like I said earlier, if I left or died, my company wouldn't skip a beat, man. My boss would not skip a beat. So, but here's the truth, guys. If you stay in this cycle of where we're at now, 5 years from now, you're going to be what? Kind of what you are now. Exhausted, underpaid, and wishing that you would have started something on your own to create those opportunities that we, discussed previously. So drop a comment below and let me know what is the worst thing about your 9-to-5 job. So, what's the alternative then? Maybe you're saying, hey, Toni, man, you're right. You hit the nail on the head. That's exactly how I feel. How are people just like me escaping the 9-to-5 and making money online? So you got to kind of cut through the noise, right? Because there is so much of that online, making money online, shiny object syndrome, easy peasy ways to do this and that. But really, you've got to really look at all your options and see what really works for you. But really the new way is digital business. That's really where we're headed. This is where you can control your income. There's no cap on how much you can make, and anything you create is an asset. So you can build the assets. In other words, any content you create, any digital products you can create, make you money while you're sleeping too. There's over 5 billion people that are on YouTube. So it's not just people in your town or in your state. We're talking about all over the nation here, but not just limited to that. It's worldwide. So that's really your audience there. And that's the best way to think about it too. And with this business that I'm going to lay out for you, the one that I got started in, that I'm promoting with people, you can be job optional within months, not just years. So it can happen pretty quickly, and I'll talk more about that here. But please don't think that this is complicated. It is not complicated, and I get that. I get if that's what you're thinking right now. But this is why I started in this business, because it's something simple that actually works. And that's what really attracted me, to this model here. And I wish I knew about this sooner, really, because I would have gotten started sooner. But really the fastest way that I learned to get started making money online is not by wasting months trying to figure everything out. That's not. You need speed. You need to get up and running, and you need to go. And that's what this opportunity provides. This done-for-you digital business education product, it's already done for you. So how does this different from any other digital products that you might, be looking at or thinking about purchasing? It's a done-for-you system. So you don't really need any tech skills. Actually, you just copy and paste, and then you can get started. I mean, if you can copy and paste, I think everybody can do that here. That is how you actually get started and set everything up. And the best part about it is once you get set up, you are now positioned to earn 100% of the commissions. I've never had a job where I earned 100% commissions. Never. The house or my boss or whatever always took, more than the fair share of my position. But in this business opportunity, you can position yourself to earn $500 per sale. There's no middleman at all. And there's no guessing, this system will walk you through everything, taking you everything step by step. But one of the most important things that really attracted me to this was the built-in community and support. That was really key, because I didn't want to feel like I wanted my own business, but I didn't want to feel like I was alone. I had questions. I wanted to learn how to tweak things to, get the results that I wanted to faster. And that is part of the community that's included. There are not a whole lot of business opportunities right now available that I'm aware of that includes an opportunity to join a community and have the mentorship included. So that was huge for me. I mean, with our community, we have office hours on Tuesdays. We have Saturday school. If you can't make Tuesday because you're working full time, not a problem. We got you covered. And then you have options for one-on-one as well, which has been so such an important part for me to have success. The one thing that I did in the past that I didn't do with this opportunity was overthinking everything. And you know what that's from? Just from having prior experiences in any sort of online business, MLM marketing, affiliate marketing. Man, making a list of 100 family and friends and then bugging the heck out of them. Or if you're in a grocery store, you feel compelled to talk to the person you're standing with about this amazing product that you have, or amazing this or that. So this is nothing like that at all. This is an opportunity to get started in something that will be your own and eventually get you on the path to financial freedom. I pretty much think that's why, we're all here, and that's what we're looking for, another way to do that. So really, guys, it comes down to two choices, just two choices. You can keep showing up in that job that doesn't care about you, and that's fine. Not a problem. We all need that money. We all have families to take care of. We all have obligations. Or you can start building something that gives you control over your income, your time, and your future. So this is how a lot of folks got started, working full time. This business allows you to work at your own pace. You can go through the courses at your own pace. And you can get it set up in a weekend. If you really just focused on it, it's not difficult at all. So if you're really serious about escaping your 9-to-5 and making money in 2025, whether it's just to supplement, it's either to, pay for your kids' soccer equipment or travel or go on a vacation or just get out of debt, just get more in your piggy bank, just to have hope that you're onto something that'll eventually get you where you want to be. So if that's what you're interested in, along with the community, click the link below and let's get started today. We're waiting for you. The community is there for you. We're just waiting for you to take action. So, if you can, drop a comment. Let me know what's stopping you, what's holding you back, what's causing you to be hesitant, and let's talk. Let's get together. I'll be happy to speak with you. And then be sure to like and subscribe. Turn on the notifications so you can get more videos like this. I'm planning to make a series of videos just to help folks, let them know what's out there and how they can get started. Just a little bit about my journey as well along this path. So, hey guys, see you soon in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.